Exciting announcement. W Coin new airdrop. Hey everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the W Coin airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump into the video. W Coin listing on BitGet. Airdrop details, price predictions, and what you need to know in 2025. The countdown has officially begun for one of the most exciting new meme coins of the year. W Coin, dollar coin. Known for its addictive tap-to-earn mechanics and hyper-engaged online community, W Coin is finally making its debut on a major cryptocurrency exchange. The official W Coin listing is set for 2025, and the first confirmed platform to host its trading is none other than BitGet. With the airdrop window closing fast and speculation rising around the token's price performance, here's a deep dive into everything you need to know about W Coin's upcoming launch. From eligibility requirements and task systems, to market predictions and growth strategies. Price predictions. How high could dollar coin go? Crypto analysts are buzzing about W Coin's upcoming price trajectory, and many are cautiously optimistic about its short-term potential. According to CoinGabber and other early trackers, dollar coin is predicted to launch between 5 cents and 10 cents. Why such strong initial confidence? A few key reasons. 1. Robust tokenomics. The total supply and distribution system behind W Coin are structured to prevent excessive dumping and encourage long-term holding. There are staking and gaming integrations that reward users, not just speculators. 2. BitGet partnership. BitGet is among the top 10 global crypto exchanges by volume. Its support brings liquidity, credibility, and access to a global user base, all of which fuel price stability and volume in the early days of trading. 3. Strong community ecosystem. The tap-to-earn model, combined with skin collections, chest openings, and social tasks, has already cultivated a highly active community, one of the strongest early indicators of a token's market health. 4. Future multi-exchange potential. If exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, or OKX join in post-launch, price levels could spike well beyond the current predictions. It's not uncommon for prices to double or triple after a second-tier token moves to a top-tier exchange. Post-listing strategy. What to watch? Once dollar coin hits the market, several things will determine its short-term and long-term value. Listing volume on BitGet. Watch the first 24 to 48 hours of volume. High liquidity and buy orders suggest strong backing. Community growth metrics. The size and engagement level of W Coin's social channels, Telegram, X, Discord, will heavily influence the token's price stability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the W Coin airdrop in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Star.